Let's take a look at the Comfee kettle. So this is a really fantastic way to boil water for tea, and I've been using it a ton. So basically you've got the kettle here, you press the little button on the side, it's going to pop it open, you can fill it up with water, and then you just put it down onto the base here. And it's super simple, just pop it in there and we press this little tab on the back, it's going to turn blue and it's going to start to heat up that water. It's going to heat it all the way up to boiling. It's very fast, it only takes a couple of minutes. It's going to be up to boiling temperature, and then you can go ahead and just lift this straight off and pour your boiling water in to make tea. It just makes it super easy, super simple, and I love this thing.